Huwag kang mag-alala dahil lahat ng pinapangarap mo'y magkakatotoo at ang lahat ng ito ay pagsubok lamang upang makamit mo ang iyong mga gusto.
Ms. Pimentel, I would like to convene you as the preparation of the meeting tomorrow. Mr. Pateng, CEO of the Stingle Corporation, will join us.
May I know the exact number of people that will get ready to the meeting tomorrow, ma'am?
Around 15, that is just about from figure 2.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I would like to see, sister, the sales improvement of the company after launching the new product of the company.
Wow! Since the sales of our product increased, can you give me a ballpoint estimate of our total revenue since the launching of our product?
I'd say that we produced $100,000, sir. It's very big.
Mr. Mendel, I don't know how many employees we have. Can you give me the exact number of our employees?
The ballpark estimate of our employees are around 150 employees, sir.
Nice, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
I would like to introduce our new employee, Miss Ferrome. She will be joining your department.
Hello everyone. Thank you, sir. My name is Jen Peppermint. I was hired as a new digital marketing assistant. I came from Cleveland, LSB Valley province, away from city, of course. And I'm really glad that this job brought me here to Metro Manila because I am very much looking forward to the amazing city lights and experience living here in the city.
Sorry to interrupt, but may I know what work you did in Philippines?
I'm in Maramag.
Oh, the first class municipality.
Oh, how do you know?
Oh, I love it there. My family and I used to have a trip in Bukidnon.
Wow! I can see that both of you will get along.
Yes, sir. As I was saying, I thank you, Mr. Go, for the opportunity. I look forward to getting to know you and everyone here in our team in the coming weeks. Thank you, everyone. Again, I look forward to meeting you all.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So actually, I wanted to invite you to a party, my daughter's birthday party.
Oh, that's wonderful, people. When is the party?
It's on Thursday, May 30. It's 2 p.m. I know it's too busy time, but I'm happy to make it.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you to invite us. Where will the party held?
It is downtown venue near at my place.
Call me and I love a good celebration.
Okay, I'll send you a formal invitation later via email.
Thank you for inviting us, Nico. It sounds like going to be a lot of fun. I'll make sure to check my schedule.
Perfect. I think it's really good if you can make it.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you. For visiting, I need to improve my reporting. Sorry again. By the way, may I ask, where do you work? I work from Golden Lion Corporation. How about you? I work for Megacorp. It's a printing magazine. Oh, that's interesting. I love magazines. Are you in the rush? By the way, do you want to grab a coffee or pastry? No. Let's go. So, So, what do you do at Golden Lion Corporation? Oh, I'm a junior marketing management and the marketing department. I am responsible for the market research, competitive analysis, and reports to enhance marketing team efficiency and also attends convention, conferences, and trade shows and prepares a post-event reports. Oh, how about you? I am a magazine designer at publishing industry. We're responsible for creating visually appealing and engaging magazines. Sounds interesting. You're very creative. Oh, oops, the lunch break is nearly over. Thank you for the times and see you next time. Thank you for your time too. See you soon. See you.
Oh, hi, Miss Torres.
Oh, good afternoon, Miss Bernas. I didn't expect to see you here.
Yeah, I have a meeting here with a client some while ago. How about you? Why are you here?
I'm just here, get some rest. Work is too stressing. Yeah, I want
By the way, do you know our college classmate Rena?
Gira, our nerdy classmate in college. Yeah, what about her?
Not nerdy anymore, though she's still quiet sometimes. She still does her job well. I heard that she was promoted again as a senior marketing manager in their department. After the ratings of our product immediately increased when they innovate and release into the market.
Not changing. I'm still good at everything.
Very well said.
So, I might go first. I have a dinner later, so I might be late. And are you all right here?
Yeah, I'm good here. Take care, alright. But thanks for the time. I have fun chatting with you, Miss Torres. Sure, can we hang out next time?
Sure. See you soon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Pate.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for meeting me today.
Please have a seat.
I'd like to take this opportunity to explain some of the products that the Golden Lion Corporation offers. So, here we serve a wide range of customers, including individuals and large corporations. For our individual consumers, we offer a variety of products such as personal care items, home appliances, and electronics. For example, our latest smartphone model has been well received for its innovative features and sleek design.
Wow, that's very impressive. It's clear that Golden Lion Corporation has a lot to offer. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome, Mr. Paltek. If you have any further questions and would like more information, please don't hesitate to ask. We're always happy to help.
Thank you, Trisha. I will take that in mind. Hi, Ms. Rivera. Thank you for joining us. I wanted to give a quick update on how our business is doing and who are our competitors.
Sure, Delaware, go ahead.
In the past year, our revenue went up by 25% and our client base grew by 13%. We keep 85 of our clients who also started working in new areas like healthcare and fintech.
Our strategies have increased. Clients were profit by 40% and sales by 35%. We've added new services like data analysis and personalized marketing, which clients really like.
Impressive. Who are our main competitors?
Our competitors are big marketing agencies, small specified firms, and in-house marketing teams. Our advantage is offering tailored plans and wide range of services and staying updated with the latest trends.
We focus on giving personal attention and getting clear results, which clients appreciate and has led to many referrals.
Sounds like you're well positioned. Thank you for the update.
Thank you, Raika. We're excited about our continued growth and future opportunities. Good morning, team.
Morning, sir.
Now, let's talk about who are our customer and our target market. Trisha, can you start?
Sure, sir. Our main customers are small to medium-sized businesses in retail, tech, healthcare, real estate, and professional services, and they need strong marketing plans. We also work with startup in tech and e-commerce that need quick results. Bigger companies sometimes come up to us for special services like online marketing and data analysis.
Oh, don't forget to add non-profit. They need help outreach and fundraising. So our main targets are SBM, startup, big companies, and non-profits.
Our target clients are business owners, CEOs, and marketing directors. For SMEs, we focus on companies with 10 to 500 employees. Startups usually have fewer but need to grow fast. Big companies want special help, and non-profits need effective impact?
Their common problems are lacking in-house marketing skills, needing clear plans, and using tech. They want clear results and good returns on their spending, which we provide.
Exactly. Our value transform plans, a focus on result and committed services. Let's make sure everyone is clear on this and align our efforts.
I update our marketing messages to highlight these strengths.
And adjust our client outreach to attract more of these clients.
Great. Thanks, team. Let's keep up this good work.
Thank you, sir.